Right now, we are analyze the market. We did not need this. We just need this. Okay. Let's check for our what's going on. There is market. Market is almost sideways. Look, when you see the market structure proper way in big time frame, there is some consequence. You look. What is you see? When market comes there, it down. Then there is one market is sideways and showing the downtrend. So we have almost one thing is possible. Market come this point around 40 to 15 point. Now we have a plan. It's Monday 11. Uh, this is possible. Is it possible the market is go down more? Yeah, but it takes some extra time. Okay, we need to just wait and watch. I need to utilize that time. Right now, we have a direction downtrend. Okay, you said that why are this is downtrend? Look, this proper way. Last time markets come this point is fold. This time market take a liquidity and some stop losses, then show the downtrend. So is it possible the market come again this minimum this points and they goes up? Right now we have only one option to sell the market, but not a right there because there is some zones. We just wait and watch. Just started good fall, nice. According to 15 minutes and my calculation, this points market comes almost come this point. Okay, we take the trade there 1863, 1873. Upon 1863, 1873 limit sell. What is profit is normal 1810. Risk is minimized $20. Last time we almost lost around 6 to 4 trade. Tomorrow 160, no, only 60. Done. Okay, let's take look the market. Now it's Tuesday, 27 July. We are ready. Why are you taking this zone? Look, this zone is a one support, working on support. Right now, this is a resistance. And this 100 EMA also creates some chaos. We just need wait and watch. Don't think another thoughts. Mm, okay, market going up, down. Mhm. Almost morning. What the hell? Hmm. Now my order is continue. Market is going down. Around morning. It was for stop loss. Can you again sell? According to my theory, I cannot sell. Wait for this level. Really? Yeah. But you are selling right now, right? Of course, I am ready to sell. But the market is siding. Mm-hmm. Good chance. Okay. 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 Now we are ready to sell. Confirm. Yeah. Uh, this level. What is stop loss? Simple 82. Hmm. Right now we are selling in market level. Stop loss is simple 1882. Target is not a far 1842. Same. It's around we are coming to 4590. Now let's go. Just check it. And it's check that what is the purpose of this trade and what the reason why are taking this trade? There is change of character. This is possible or not? Like you don't understand the market structure. It's around 3 p.m. Can you take another trade? No. I'm saying the market is sideways. There is more liquidity. Can I sell again? This is you have a theory, right? Yeah. Please continue and sell. ठीक है. This time 686 88 हो गया. Okay, let's check 1888 profit 1846. So when is it not possible? Then I'm wrong. My analytics is wrong. Uh, Now they show some spirit. Okay. Right now I'm feeling hungry. Angry. Sorry, not hungry. I'm feeling angry and some type of fear, missing the trade, and now let's sell the market without hesitation around 167 177. This is last trade. I tell it 1877. Really, I'm not taking too much trade in real life. This is very curious. Next time I'm selling, I'm fuck. Really, this much too much chaos. They break it again. Fuck. Fuck a magician. This is my bad. Sorry. Sorry, market. Really sorry. Now we are going to buy right now. Yeah, just of course. Just wait and watch. Mhm. Okay, let's go. This is good point. Waited. Alright. Bye. Let me hearing. Think it. You take another trade. We have the more opportunity. Again, how much chaos there. Too bad. इसीलिए I can't take the another trade. I almost take five trades, and all is this my fault. But I am doing right now. Look, Rohit, you're again facing your problem. Yes, I understand it. You understand? Yeah. You don't follow any big time frame. You only follow 15 minutes. Okay, okay, okay. Check, check. You have only this, right? Okay, right. They break the structure. Yeah. So what should we do? Mm, look, when you look only 15 minutes, this is a support and resistance. Okay. Right now, this is some resistance. You understand your mistakes. You always follow this mistake. Then what's going on? Okay, let's take it. There is some point. No, only look 15 minutes. You don't have to check any another chart. This is your biggest mistake. But how to find? You really need this question's answer. No. Okay, I'm ready to sell. बहुत छोटा stop loss लूंगा मैं इस बार. Only 7 points. Sell. 7. Let's check it. Can I take this trade? Too much? According to me, this is too much. So this is a 15 minutes time frame. You understand? Yeah. There is more. This time your trend is right, right? Yeah. You are wrong. That is not matter. But something is matter there. Your positions. Right now, making some control. What you were saying, right? Simple. I'm ready to buy. Really. Again, think it. Yeah, of course. I'm ready to buy. Okay, let's take your target, your zone, your risk. Okay, all is calculated. Wait a second. I think this is good. This is not good. Yeah, done. And I need something more that time. Now, right now, we are planning good trade in a market. A real market is working fine right now. We just wait and watch. And right there, I delete 1997. It's late 1997, 1997. Wait a second. Actually, according to report, wait a second. Check real market. Okay. Where it is? There. No. Silver, gold, forex. TH. Down from. Check anywhere. No. Okay, sorry. Thank you.